So I go over here and I unjoin the ramp, and then I uncheck the box that says the multiple box, and then this part is unjoined from this part, as you can see. Then let's see what else we have to do. Let me just zoom this out and rotate it, and yep, that's it. So let's go back to the AutoCAD file and to the ground floor. Let's see where it is. Here it is. The ground floor doesn't have anything else besides stairs that we're going to draw them as well. So let's go back to the Revit file, and the plan is here. I haven't drawn the walls that we have here in between them. So let me just go over here, and then I'm going to select the wall that we have here. I hit the create a similar option, and then I pick it and I put the walls, one of them over here, another one over here. Then I browse down on the wall menu to the 10 centimeter inside wall, and I draw one right over here in the middle. After doing that, I just make a quick save here, and there we go. After this, I'm going to draw on the walls. So I go to the first floor plan, I hit the synchronize option, and after doing that, I go to the ground floor that we have here. And then I'm going to put up the walls that we have here. Let's just go back to the first floor plan, and then back to the ground floor. So we go to the wall section. So in this part right here, we have a type 2 wooden door. So just a quick reminder that you have to draw these based on a beam inquisition plan that you have. And then you have to define the families based on that, and the details, and so and so. And we've already discussed fully how you can get the beam inquisition plan and how you can draw the plan according to it. So I load the family in here, and in this destination I choose the type 2 wooden door, and I open it up, and then I go to the AutoCAD file, and here that we have the type 2 wooden door. It's 90 by 220. So I go back to the Revit file, and then I hit the edit type option, and here I scroll down to the height section, and it is 2.2, but I have to change the width to 0.9. And then after I've done that, let's see if everything's correct, and then I hit OK. And so I go back to the plan, and here I'm going to draw the doors. Right here it opens up this way, and as you can see here we have fire door, which is a code for thermal resistant door. So we go over here, and then we draw another door right here. After that, let me zoom out, and then we draw another one right here, and then finally we draw another one right here, and that's how it opens up. And as you can see in this part, we have SD type 1. So I hit the load family option. So I back out of the folder and I select the SD type 1 file. And as you can see in the file, the SD type 1 door is 2.2 by 1.6. So then we go to the edit type section. Let's check out the height. It's 2.2 and the width should be 1.6. And I hit the type mark and I rewrite it as type 1. And the name is SD. So let me just check if everything is correct. And let me see. It seems like we have to edit the model. So I write SD in the name section, and then I hit apply. All right, so I hit OK, And finally, I hit OK here as well. And then we go over here, and using space, I change the direction and I hit enter. So I get a quick save up to here, and then I hit the synchronize option. So I go over here, and then I select this door that we have here. After that, I hit the section box option, and then I go to the 3D view. And as you can see, this is how the door looks. So in this box here, we have some parameters that we've created. It's fire signage here. And all of this is according to your family type. You can create all different sorts of details and information as you want. So in here, I check the box that says door lockable. Let me just zoom in. And this is how it looks when you check and uncheck the box. So this box here has additional frame piece, and that's how it looks. And the next option that we have is 3D swing zone visible, which shows the zone that the door opens up with. And these are very useful when you have some clashes and errors. And then after that, we have the frame type. All of these details are stuff that you can add on yourself if you want to. So I go to the plan. We have this one here. So I go here and I click drag. And then I check only the doors. And I put it in the doors section. Let me just do a quick check. And it's all okay. So after I've done that, I go to the 3D view. And from here, I uncheck the section box. And after I've done that, I hit Ctrl S. And as you can see, we've drawn the doors right here. So let's just go back to the CAD file. And then we go up to the ground floor plan. And right here in these areas, we have windows. Right here. And the text says PVC windows, and the type is the 4th. So let's see what it is. And we go to the legend section. Let me just scroll down. And here it is. And here we have the 4th type. So here the finished architectural base is 20 centimeters. And the height is fixed and is 2 meters. And those are the dimensions as you can see there. So we go back to the Revit file. And after we've done that, I go to the ground floor plan. And then I zoom in on the plan. And here we have the type 4. And as you can see, the width is fixed here. Let's see how much it is. It says 1.84, and in this way it's 1.8 as well. Yes, it is. So I select the window and I hit the load family option, and then I go to the destination that we have the windows in, and it's this one right here. And then I hit open. So let's see how long it takes to load up. It says it seems to be ready. So I uncheck the tag on placement from here. So see how much time it takes. So from here, I go to the edit type section. So let's see how much the height should be. And according to the AutoCAD file that we have, it should be 2 meters. So I edit it to 2 meters. And then let's see how much the width should be. It's 1.8 meters. And after I've done that, let me just do a quick check to see if everything's all right. And then I hit OK. So I go to the edit type section again. So I close these tags here. Let's see where we should go and where it is. We need the model part, which is enabled here, and I have to activate it myself. But first we go to the type mark, and it's type 4. So I edit it here and then I hit OK. So let's see what we should do for now. I'll probably just put the door here temporarily, and then afterwards I'm going to go to the edit family section. Just a moment for it to load up. Just a second. And after it loads up, I go to this part here. I scroll down, and in the model section that we have here, I deactivate this part here, and then I activate PW for now. And then I hit OK, and then I close it up. So I hit the load into project and close, and then yes, and then yes again, and then I make a quick save. So I select it and I hit edit type, and I scroll down to the model, and here it is. So I write p.w, and after I've done that, I hit OK to close it up. Let's go to the 3D view to see how it looks, and this is how it is. So I choose the fixed window that we have here, and then I uncheck these two boxes here, and then I check them again. And then I check these two boxes over here, turn swing and tilt swing, and this here shows the swing zones. So I uncheck them again. Let me just see where I've put them. And as you can see in the family section, I've edited the window like this. And this is how it looks. So I select the section box and I bring it down here. And as you know, in the CAD file, it says we have 20 centimeters here based on our architectural base points. And if we go to the side view here, we can take a better look at it. Let me just see. And here it is. And as you can see, it's a fixed window. So I go to the architectural ground floor, and I set the sill height as 0.2, and I put it in the window type. Let's see if we have it here. It seems not. So I make a new work set, and I name it Windows, and I pull this down, and I go to the Windows part. Then I hit OK, and I put this in the Windows section as well, and then this one too. So I go back to the plan, and then I select this one, create similar. I hit the sill height at 0.2. So I go here and I put this over here. And these arrows that you see here need to be pointing outwards. So let's see how many more we have. None of them over here, and yeah, that's just the two. So I uncheck the section box, and